Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, it's a rainy day outside, so I have my diffuser set up. This is from SZ Trokia. They bring the benefits of aromatherapy into the home. The diffuser is great for just relaxing the mind, body, and soul. The diffuser comes in a nice box, really decorated with flowers and things. It looks really nice. It comes with a water cup, the glass vase, the middle tube, and the base that puts the has the electricity and the stuff, and you put water with this over in here. Then add a couple of drops of your favorite essential oils. Today we're using On Guard from DoTerra. This time of the year, On Guard is great for building the immune system. With kids going back to school, colds, all this stuff, stomach viruses, this keeps a spicy kind of citrusy smell in the air. So DoTerra On Guard, we put 3 drops of the On Guard in here with the water. Set this back on top. And this is glass, guys. It's beautiful. I love blue, so this was perfect for me. Add that back. To turn it on, it has 3 different buttons. One is your on and off. And as soon as you turn it on, it starts sending out a mist. It changes colors. It has 24 different colors for mood set, things like that. And if you like one color, you can stop it and leave it on it. It also has a timer on it where if you want the diffuser to go off in 1 hour, you can have that. I think it's 3 hours and 7 hours. Or you can have it on continuously. The light can be turned off and on. The mist can be turned off and on. If you don't want the mist all the time, you just want this light, you can do that. So each part of it will turn off and on according to these buttons, whatever you like. So the scent that's coming out now, the On Guard, does smell a little bit like cloves and a little like wild orange. That's 2 of the components of it. So I can sit here on a rainy day and enjoy this and not have to work. But guess what? Doesn't matter that it's raining. I got work to do, guys. So if you like the SZ Trokia diffuser, there'll be a link in the description below. DoTerra, there'll be a link in the description below. And we'll talk about essential oils on another day. So thank you guys from Crazy Days.